Imagine our cosmic home hitting the brakes. Right now, the universe is expanding faster than ever. But what if it suddenly stopped? The consequences would be mind-blowing. First, gravity would take center stage. Without the opposing force of expansion, galaxies would start to pull together. Our Milky Way might collide with Andromeda sooner than the predicted 4 billion years. Stars would crowd closer, potentially triggering more supernovae. The cosmic web, that grand structure of the universe, would begin to collapse. Dark energy, the mysterious force driving expansion, would become obsolete. On Earth, we might not notice immediate effects, but our night sky would gradually change. More stars would become visible as space contracts. The fate of the universe would shift from eternal expansion to potential Big Crunch. This scenario challenges our understanding of physics and cosmology, highlighting how crucial expansion is to our universe's story.
Imagine discovering a colossal void in the universe, so vast it defies explanation.